All right, so this video is going to cover how to create ISO number 7. First thing I want to look at is analyzing what shape of this object I'm going to start with. So when I look at this, I'm going to start and I'm going to create this L shape first. Create that L shape. And that L shape is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes this way. And I think it's 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 boxes this way. So it's 11 boxes this way and 4 boxes this way. So when I go to Inventor, I'm going to do a new part here. I'm going to do a standard IPT. And I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I'm going to use the XY plane. And I'm going to start with a line. Start at the center. I'm going to go vertical. Remember, everything is multiplied by 0.5. Make sure your tracking is showing. So it's 0.5 times 4. Press enter. I'm going to move this. And I'm going to hit the word front, zoom out. And then from here, I'm going to go, so it's 11 boxes long. So it's going to be 0.5 times 11. Hit the word front so I can zoom out. I know that when I go back here just to check and make sure, I know that it's 2 boxes from here to here. So I'm going to come down from here and 2 times 0.5. I'm going to come back to here. I know that all the way back to here would be 11, so it's 2 boxes short. So that means I'd be 2 minus 11 is 9, so I'll be 9 times 0.5. Come down from here. This would be 2 times 0.5. And then you get back to the beginning, you should get a green dot back at the center and close it. I'm going to do a finish sketch. The distance across the object is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that line is 6 boxes long. So when I come back here, I'm going to go to extrude. I'm going to put in 6 times 0.5 and click OK. And now what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to screen around a little bit. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a fillet on this end and this end. So it's a 3D fillet. So I'll click on fillet. I click in here and the fillet is going to be 1.5. Once I put it in there, I click this edge and click this edge and I hit apply, and there I got my fillet. Next thing I'm going to do is put a 2D sketch on top of this surface. I'm going to do a project geometry. Then I notice I get this center point that shows up. When we go back to the object, I got a hole right here. And I believe that's going to be 2 times 0.5 because it's 1 box from here to here, 1 from here to here. So I come back. I go to circle, click the center, 2 times 0.5. So I don't like that. So that's not correct. So I hit escape. I want to alter that. So I just double click that dimension And I'm going to change that to just 0.5. I like that better. Finish sketch. Do an extrude. It's going to be a cut. It's going to be this button right here. Click cut. And we don't care how far it cuts, as long as it cuts all the way through. Finish sketch. I'm going to rotate this around by using my view cube. And I'm going to put a 2D sketch on this surface right here. Do a 2D sketch. Now what I'm after is this piece right here. And just kind of look at that. That piece goes up. We have to make kind of a rectangular shape to here and then down to here. We're trying to make that shape right there. So we're going to be the rectangles be 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes long. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, about 3 boxes high. So I'll come back here. I got a 2D sketch here. I'm going to go to rectangle. I'm going to click this corner. And so I'm going to be this way. I'm going to be 4 times 0.5. That way I hit the tab key. And I'm going to be 3 times 0.5 this way. All right. Finish sketch. Going to go to extrude. And the extrusion is going to be 2 times 0.5. So I'm just going to click inside of here, backspace on that, put a 2 in there. And then I don't want the extrusion to come out this way away from the object. So I'm going to use these planes right here. I'm going to use this particular plane right here. That's the direction I want to go. Now, if you need to do that, in this particular case, I needed to do that. So I go ahead and click OK. I go back to a fillet. And I'm going to put in the fillet, I believe is 0.5. Nope, the fillet would be 1. Click apply. Rotate it back around. Remember, when you're watching these videos, you should stop them. If it's moving too fast for you, stop them, back them up, rewind them, and follow this step by step. This is the process for getting ISO number 7 completed.